Hi family, welcome back to my channel. I love using natural oils and today I want to share one of my favorites, which is carrot oil. I use it on my skin and my hair, and of course my kids are not left out. This is a general oil in my home. So you want to start by washing and peeling off the skin of your carrots before grating it, okay? So that you wouldn't want any dirt in your carrot oil. You wouldn't want anything to contaminate your oil. So you have to wash it very well and also peel off the skin before you grate it. Then, depending the process you want to use for the infusing of the oil, you can use the double boiler method or the direct heat method. For this particular video, I'm using the direct heat method. And yes, feel free to use any oil of your choice. For me, I use coconut oil. You can as well use olive oil or sunflower seed oil or any oil of your choice, okay? Just use it. And guys, do you know that I just realized that my coconut oil has finished? Like, this is the last one, and I didn't know before I started prepping this carrot. Like, I started grating the carrot. I wouldn't use such amount of carrot for this little oil. The oil is too small. So but we've done it already. I've grated it already, so I've poured everything inside there. So any amount of oil I get, I will take it like that. So I didn't check it. Had it been I checked it, at least I will have grated like maybe one or two. Yeah. Also, when using the direct heat method, make sure it's on low heat, like very low heat. You wouldn't want to do that on a high heat and you wouldn't want your carrots to burn. So guys, if you want that glowing skin, consider making carrot oil. Now let's talk about some benefits of carrot oil for our skin and our hair. It helps to brighten and even out skin tone. If you want a brightening skin, it's not going to bleach your skin, it's going to help to brighten your skin. So if you want to brighten your skin, it's a very good oil, okay? Also, it helps to improve skin glow. It gives you that glow and also reduces dullness of the skin. If your skin is always looking dull, consider making carrot oil, okay? It also helps to moisturize dry skin. Also, it helps to fade dark spots and give you that instant glowing, vibrant skin. For the hair, it helps to promote faster and healthier hair growth. It also helps to strengthen hair roots and reduces breakages, shedding, and hair thinning. Also, it helps to add that natural shine, oh my god, and that softness to the hair, yes. Also, it helps to reduce dryness, like if you're always having dry scalp, consider making carrot oil is very good. It also helps to nourish the scalp and also improve blood circulation. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.